How do we move from a state which is a personal bad one to a group bad state, to a world bad state? And how accordingly does our request change? Please.
Rav, what's the difference between the evil that I describe in myself and what I describe in my group and the evil I describe in the world? The concept of evil, not the size of it, the quality of it. What's the change? What's the difference? It has to be a difference if it's me alone, the group, which has to do with our connection and the goal of our connection, and the world, and the goal of the world. So these are deficiencies and a man that is different. So please, how do we differentiate between these different manners of man? Actually, not just make a difference, but how do we use that man? It is said that Torah was only given to those who are the eaters of the man. What does it mean to eat the man? Rav, how does it, what does it mean that I pray for the group? Let's say they're asleep. What does it mean that I pray for them? And what does it mean that I pray for the world? Raise man for the world. It's their deficiencies. What deficiencies are there? Who asked me? How can I do this? It's like coercion. Please. How can I, Rav, how can I pray for someone in the world? I don't know. Yesterday, I received a letter from one of the acquaintances writing that there was some downfall of something. I wanted to ask Avigdor, actually. Avigdor is here. Maybe you can explain to us later. He says that he lost within a few days almost $500 million. It's not everything he has, but still. It's, I felt that this meant something, there was something, so now I need to pray for what he lost? How can I determine or force someone towards a spiritual goal if he's not there yet? That's a question. From here we can also understand that if I don't integrate with the 10, then I'm not permitted to pray for anyone in the world if I'm not included in the 10, because then my prayer is definitely egoistic. So first I have to integrate in the environment, in the 10, and then prayer for the world. But yesterday there was a feeling that the world lost its life. And what, I'll tell him now, no, final correction, atzilut, dvekut, nullification, you need to annul yourself. How? So, 23.